technique that I'm kind of
Worked out.
got worked out. Yeah.
Good. Finger pressing first, I guess.
Yeah.
A lot of people do that.
What's that?
Keep your online presence.
Yeah.
Love it.
My family apparently likes to watch me do this, and it's a little embarrassing because I normally
Too late for that.
too late. Yeah.
I could be doing it all day and nobody'd watch, but if he does it, they watch.
Yeah. Must be a novelty here.
Yeah, not that many guys do it, I guess.
Here's your next one.
You see. Over like that. Yeah.
You got it right.
But I'm gonna sew down that edge,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. Over here in this corner are the baby chicks. Be in the house for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And there's Boo Boo, who always wants to be in here while we're sewing, don't ya?
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Now, Ruth,
I'm gonna be in the middle of everything.
oh, I got that right.
I didn't see you pick it up, but I'm sure you do.
Okay.
Oh, boo-boo. You don't need the chicks.
This?
Yeah, from the top to the bottom.
Okay.
So across the top.
As far as anything that will give us an answer that we'll consider satisfying, I don't think so. I think even if Brian Koberger himself told us what compelled him to do this, he would never give us a complete answer for why these 4 students had to lose their lives. I think he was just a person who, quite frankly, was disconnected to the same world that we all walk in and decided that this is something that he wanted to do. That's not a very satisfying answer. South Carolina, that's where
Turn around, let me see. Awesome. Show me your pretty face. Yeah. And show me the front again.
There's the front.
And you've got it sandwiched and ready to quilt
Quilt, yes.
on your machine.
Yes.
So that'll be the next
That'll
step.
be my next step.
You can use fancy stitches to do the stitch in the ditch. I never even dreamed of doing that, but it looks awesome. The machine did feather stitching, and my machine also does feather stitching, so I'm excited. I've just got a little bit left to do on this to finish that up, and then I'll trim it up and put binding on it. I've got black binding. This is I have Kaffa set fabric in this, and then this is also Kaffa fabric on the back. It kind of goes with it.
Yeah.
It makes it interesting.
Right.
So both of us took lessons at the Quilted Cow from Anne. This is an intermediate class, which Richard and I think we're going to probably scale down to simple. This was hard, getting things done like this, but we'll get there. But anyway, we're not going to scale up for sure for a while, but we're looking forward to doing some quilts of valor. My relatives also, I've got a lot of relatives that are veterans, and So it's near and dear to our hearts to do things for veterans. And we're going to be finishing these up, and then we'll start on probably a project for the Quilts of Valor. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave comments and let us know what you liked about this video and what other things that you'd like us to make videos on. Please subscribe, it helps us a lot. We're trying to build a community of retirees and crafters and people who can connect. So we very much appreciate you being here.